Hey, how you doing? My name's Andrew from Livermore, California. I was having starting problems with my 2002 S10 Chevy truck. I have the V6 4.3 liter. Now, check this out. About 7 months ago, I changed the fuel pump, which is inside the gas tank. Guys, if you're going to need to do that, just unbolt the bed of the truck, lift it up on the driver's side, and bam, it's right there. Anyway, so I don't drive this truck all the time because I drive a company truck home and back and forth. Long story short is I drove it one weekend, parked it. Next time I got into it, it wouldn't start. I spent endless nights on end before, because it's daylight savings. I only did a little bit to try to figure it out. So this is to the point in a quick, no 20-minute video. I changed the fuel filter. Okay, came up to the top side of my 2010 Chevy. So I put a couple of new spark plugs into it. Still wouldn't start. It seemed like it was starving for gas. All I did was I went to the auto parts store. If you have a distributor cap, which is a flat distributor cap, it gets moisture under it. Go down there and buy a new distributor cap. And I usually would have put a rotor, but unfortunately the moisture had rusted the screws in. So I just put a new rotor cap on, okay? And this is the third time I've started it since I put that cap on. Happy birthday. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to save you a lot of agitation and figuring out process of elimination of what's going on. Happy birthday, there you go. Bam.